Sup? What is up, everybody? We're in Animal Company's new update. I finally have a big backpack. Well, technically, I stole it. I can't unlock it yet. I haven't grabbed the snowball. And my revolver girl. This update is so cool. I need to claim my reward. How much gems do I have? 2. I need 5 more. So I could get the 5 more. So I could get the rocket launcher. For me, no, I don't really want the rocket launchers. I'm just trying to get the big out backpack. I have 2, so I could buy this here, and then now I'm gonna need 6 more. If I buy the pack, I'm gonna these 2 are 5 gems. 5. And then right now I'm right here. And if you go right here's the shotgun. And then I'm gonna have 12. So technically, yeah, I could buy it. But I don't think I want to. We're gonna have to buy a lot of ammo. Isn't that fun? We're gonna need a lot. We're gonna be grinding, boys. I would really recommend going with a friend, because I'm scared. Like, I'm always scared. I'm a scaredy cat. What the fuck? I see it. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go run because I'm scared. What the fuck? I don't wanna grind anymore. And somebody steals my revolver. I'm scared, so we're gonna go into no PvP so nobody could kill me with all my ammo and revolver. I'm just a freaking scaredy. Let's go. If the final was not so skibbity toilet. Oh. I'm gonna have to do this. No PvP.
What's coming with me?
I'm so laggy.
What's up, y'all?
Philip,
What?
No.
Do a quest to get a
Get ready
Screw it in the dark
It's a weekly.
forest. How do I even get anywhere?
Are you serious?
Now my backpack, and then my backpack disappeared.
2 pieces of chicken.
Kill
I'm
them!
not
Kill
doing
them!
this crap. I'm not doing
2
target practice.
pieces of chicken.
Kill them!
Make me
Give me
an
RPG. I went into a lobby and then emptied my backpack, and then my backpack disappeared. Give me an RPG. Can someone give me an RPG? I don't have.
The world is ending. I wanna be next to you.
When we all get closer.
If the cosmos was Where'd he go? First time getting a crate.
Go! Shoot the
Oh my
RPG!
god, I only have 3 shots left.
Yay!
How am I missing?
Oh,
Let me. Oh, there.
shoot the RPG now! Don't give me an RPG, I was in a long... Like, blew up the present. Blew up
Does
the
revolvers even work now?
uh, 6 revolvers and 5
Oh wait, wait! Oh my god! I wanted to get that crate. Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Monkeys!
Can somebody help them?
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Bro, I'm so laggy! I didn't even shoot him. Why is he going for me?
Give me my thing back!
Why is he going
Give me
for
my
me?
thing right back! Give
Ah!
me it right now!
Oh,